This is the demonstration video part 2 that I want to show you how to use the backup configuration file on Chauffeur. With using Chauffeur and the backup file, you don't need to do the camera configuration from the scratch. So now I have some new cameras in the new site with different subnet. The first step, let's search and locate the camera. Now I got two 9369 cameras, although they are different form factors. They can share the same configuration file. So this time, I'm not creating the new template. Instead, I'm going to import the configuration file, the CSV file that I have exported before. So once I load up the CSV file, the template with the right configuration settings will be automatically loaded up on Chauffeur. Then we can follow the same steps we have learned before to select the settings that I want to apply to the new cameras. So once we hit on the apply button, those selected settings will be applied to the new cameras. Alright, let's wrap up this training course. With using Chauffeur, the VivoTex device management utility, you can easily manage your network cameras, sharing the same configuration settings. You can do the batch setup for multiple cameras. You don't need to do the camera configuration one by one. Hope you will enjoy your journey on using Chauffeur. Thank you very much. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.